Greetings ladies and gentlemen, this is Technology Man. Today, I stand before you to shed light on an incredible technological advancement that has revolutionized various industries and captured the imagination of people worldwide: drone technology. Drones, also known as unmanned aerial vehicles (UAVs), have rapidly transformed the way we approach tasks that were once deemed impossible or highly risky. From aerial photography and surveillance to logistics and disaster response, drones have opened up a whole new realm of possibilities. One of the most significant applications of drone technology lies in the field of aerial photography and cinematography. In the past, capturing stunning aerial shots required expensive equipment such as helicopters or cranes, making it an exclusive privilege reserved for a few. However, with the advent of drones, these shots have become much more accessible. Drones equipped with high-definition cameras can now effortlessly capture breathtaking vistas, allowing filmmakers, photographers, and even hobbyists to explore creative perspectives like never before. The immersive aerial footage captured by drones has revolutionized the way we experience visual media. Moreover, drones have also proved to be invaluable in various industries, particularly in surveying and mapping. The traditional methods of surveying large areas, such as land, infrastructure, or agricultural fields, were time-consuming, expensive, and often prone to errors. However, drones equipped with advanced imaging technology, including LiDAR, light detection and ranging sensors and high-resolution cameras, can now efficiently gather data and create detailed 3D maps or models with remarkable accuracy. This not only saves time and resources but also enables better decision-making in urban planning, construction, and land management. Additionally, drone technology has transformed the way we approach safety and security. Drones equipped with cameras and thermal imaging sensors can be deployed for surveillance purposes, providing real-time monitoring of large areas, such as borders, critical infrastructure, or disaster-stricken regions. These unmanned systems can swiftly navigate challenging terrains, cover vast distances, and capture high-resolution imagery, aiding law enforcement agencies, search and rescue teams, and even military operations. Drones have proven to be an indispensable asset in disaster response scenarios, where they can assess damage, locate survivors, and deliver supplies to remote or inaccessible areas. Logistics and delivery is yet another sector where drone technology has created a significant impact. With the rise of e-commerce and the growing demand for faster deliveries, companies have been exploring innovative solutions to improve efficiency and reduce costs. Drones offer a compelling answer to this challenge. Unmanned aerial delivery systems can transport packages quickly and directly to customers, bypassing congested roadways and minimizing human intervention. While still in the early stages, drone delivery services have shown tremendous potential, particularly for urgent medical supplies in remote areas or during emergencies. However, as with any technological advancement, it is crucial to consider the ethical, legal, and privacy implications surrounding drone technology. The unauthorized or misuse of drones can raise concerns related to privacy invasion and potential security threats. It is vital for regulators to establish clear guidelines and regulations to ensure the responsible use of drones, balancing the benefits they offer with the protection of individual rights. In conclusion, drone technology has transformed the way we interact with the world around us. It has opened up new opportunities for creativity, efficiency, and safety across various industries. From capturing breathtaking visuals to enhancing surveying capabilities, improving disaster response, and revolutionizing logistics, drones have proven their worth. However, as we continue to explore and embrace this technology, it is essential to do so responsibly, ensuring that the benefits are maximized while addressing the potential risks. By harnessing the power of drone technology and guiding its development with careful consideration, we can unlock even greater possibilities and create a future where drones contribute positively to our lives. Thank you for your time and attention.